Today I'm going to be looking at this salt and pepper set. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the package, demo these for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send these to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. Inside the package, you're going to have a salt and a pepper grinder. These are adjustable, so you can adjust the coarseness of the grind. You can make it very coarse or you can make it very fine just by twisting this in the inside here. So for the salt, I'm going to make it more of a fine grind. And then for the pepper, I want it more of a coarse grind. Now, before we can use these, we do have to wash them, but I do want to mention that they are glass. I really like the fact that they are glass, and they also have a stainless steel outer coating. So that's really nice. It'll be easy to clean. I am going to fill them with pink Himalayan sea salt. If you're looking for a beautiful glass salt and pepper grinder set for your table or your counter, I would highly recommend these ones.